And in
Hey, that
the
meth
attack it.
was kind of bunk.
Yeah, it might have been bath salts. I don't know.
Bro, that
Plaintiff,
shelf
get
life
your
was
honor in
ass on
the
that shit.
attack. This guy okay? Your honor, you good? Get on the attack, your honor.
Bet you he code zeroed again.
Oh shit, watch out.
Oh my god.
He's looking I think he called zeroed again, man. He's not looking too great.
Oh
Do we have a backup? Do we have a backup? I think don't we have Rucius Palmer or something like that? Think he could get in here?
Yeah, do we have Palmer?
Yeah, he code zeroed. You can't cuff him.
Let me see if we could get in contact with Palmer. Also,
Yeah, it's not looking good.
also, I got a dildo to come in.
All right, perfect.
Perfect. Yeah, let me get Palmer in here.
Hey guys, Duke's role playing as the actual government right now.
Excuse me, sir.
See, now I'm not too sure on Mr. Palmer's, knowledge level, but he'll get shit done. All right. He'll get shit done.
Get out of here, bro. Jesus. Hey, bro, let's go.
We got our backup judge coming. ETA 3 minutes.
Sir, we wish to leave.
You want to leave?
Hey, what's this case about?
Sir, thank you, sir.
This is the McCracken one. Remember, he got shot at. He got the mental things you diagnosed him with.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Yes.
Oh, it's the go Goopta, man.
Poor thing has PTSD.
That nigga Goopta, how you doing, folks?
Hello.
Hey, not in this courthouse, all right, man. You gotta respect here.
Yeah, fuck you said this is my home.
Your home is what?
Gupta, the only kind of home you have is the slushy machine at the 7-Eleven.
Oh shit.
Okay, now the one about black people.
Sri Lanka, isn't that your home?
My fat ass wants a slushie.
That's what I thought, Germain.
Gupta, do you mind letting me out, please?
Wait. Isn't she one of your witnesses?
So somebody's robbing the jewelry store around the corner right now.
Yeah.
Go catch him so that way I can.
Good time to do it though. I give that to them. It's a good
Ooh,
time.
a new client.
What happened to what happened to Peabody, man?
I don't know what happened to Peabody. Palmer's coming.
He's with
now.
Sherman.
He's about a minute and a half, 2 minutes out.
Minute and a half, 2 minutes out. Got you. Yeah, Peabody, man. He's been letting us down, man. What's going on, man? Shit.
I don't know.
When are elections, by the way, Germain?
We haven't officially decided on when the mayoral elections will be. Also, no one was supposed to know that to the community meeting, Steve.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Now we have to flatback everyone, so none of them can remember.
Right. Hey, I'm with you, buddy. I'm with you.
Uploading body cam now. I'm playing. But Devon Bennett's gonna win that shit anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
Oh, I should run.
Nah, that'll be awesome though. It'll be fun. Give some other people to do stuff.
Devon, you couldn't even win that one-person version of table tennis when you put the other side of the table up. That's crazy. People talk to you like that?
I don't even know what the fuck he talking about.
No, I don't. Well, I was about to say I don't think I've ever seen a black person play tennis. There's that well, what's her name?
Shit.
She's really famous.
Serena Williams.
Serena
Serena
Williams.
Williams.
Yes, Serena Williams.
Thought bro was gonna say Selena Gomez for a second.
Like, fuck.
Yeah. Listen,
I could have done fucking paid triple the money of what this fucking court case is worth.
What do you mean?
Jermaine,
the
you're in the
lawsuit's
perfect
worth
place,
18
though.
million.
Nah, Jermaine, I'm not complaining about you, brother.
Yeah.
I love you.
Oh.
Listen.
Doing that whole porn star
18
thing,
million.
Listen, the judge is appointed by government outside of DOJ's discretion. All right.
I'd say we vote JT as the judge.
Shit. Palmer
we
was
shoot
supposed
the
to be here any
judge.
second.
What
Where the
happened?
fuck is Kimbo when we need him?
What did Palmer just say?
There's too many people here, Germain. It's not gonna work.
Judge.
We're getting a replacement judge, Duke. You can just do whatever.
I don't
Oh,
know what.
fucking suck.
Well, how about
Wait,
this?
hold
We
on.
just have 2 judges on standby, dude. 'cause
Bring
honestly,
896, Duke. Go into the judge chambers. Bring 896.
she's gone. I think.
Huh?
Oh, there he is. Oh, bring 896. Go to the judge chambers and bring 896 over here.
Y'all see old fucking top hat, fucking.
All right.
Shoulder hat
Judge
on the
is gonna be
far
coming
left
out in about 10
front row.
seconds.
10-4. We restarting or no?
We're just gonna continue with Steve's opening statement.
10-4.
10-4, you want me to keep running security outside, or?
Yep,
Just
clear
keep
comms.
doing it.
But I know you. Obviously, you are the honorable.
I'm gonna sit right here.
Okay, I don't exactly know your name, but yes. Ha.
Roy Cephas. Roy Cephas Palmer, sir.
Yes, Mr. Cephas.
Hello?
I think
I'm
we
the
got
director,
we got Rufus
assistant,
Palmer.
It's
Tell
Andrew
Steve
Hayes
to
Marshall,
approach
so
the stand.
Excuse me.
I'm
Mr.
honored to
Palmer,
meet
is that
you.
you, sir?
Yes. Yeah, who are you, sir?
My name is Steve Johnson. I'm the defense.
Let's
We
get
got
it
Pastor
let's get it
Germain.
rolling.
Come
We
on.
gotta get it
Come on,
rolling, sir.
Come on,
Where am I going, sir?
Up
Over
there,
here, over
sir.
here,
Defense, please
Up-
continue
oh,
with your
I
opening
understand.
statements.
Yo, I gotta go pick my kids up from daycare in a bit, bruh.
Alright, I got you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We'll call
Alright,
you as a
Oh,
witness
shit.
first.
Excuse me. But I give up. Let me sit
Good
down.
morning. Good evening, Your Honor, members of the court. This case is about an incident that occurred at the impound lot involving Mr. Phil McCracken and an officer Dildo at the time. Our officers were performing their duties to maintain public safety and protect citizens from harm. On that day, a civilian became involved in a dangerous situation, and our officers responded in a lawful, measured, and professional manner to ensure everyone's safety. The evidence will show that the officers' actions were lawful, appropriate, and intended to prevent harm, not to intimidate, harass, or injure anyone of sorts. You will also hear that the alleged emotional distress and other claims have a factual context that the jury will need to understand fully. Sorry, there's no jury here, unfortunately. At the conclusion of this trial, we are confident that you will see that the officers acted professionally, responsibly, and within the scopes of the law, and all claims against them do not reflect the reality of what happened.
Your Honor, may I call my first witness?
What has he got?
Yeah, we gotta put Palmer up there. Does
Does he
Palmer
not-
even have a radio?
Yeah,
Yeah.
hold on. Palmer, do you give him your radio and get off? We don't have time to fuck around anymore.
Why don't, my good sir, why don't we just use these fantastic microphones?
They trust me, they don't work like how you
They
think
don't
they
work. Damn. How dare they
They're-
don't work?
They're just too fucking. We don't have time to fuck around. We've already.
I understand, sir.
Palmer,
Use
just
my
go
language.
wait. I think I'm good now.
Just
Okay.
Duke, just give him your radio. I'm not doing this shit now. Give him your radio and get off the stand.
Okay, I fixed it, but alright.
Thank you, good sir.
I think, yeah.
McCracken, you here?
Yes.
Come on, get up here. Alright, Your Honor, I am calling my first witness, McCracken, to the stand.
Proceed.
McCracken, come here. Yeah, come here. Before you just stand up there, before you sit on the chair, you gotta put your arms out like this. And you're gonna say, "I swear to tell the truth, the only truth, and nothing but the truth" on the radio. Alright, so I'm gonna ask you.
Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. That.
Yep.
Alright.
Go ahead.
I swear I, Phil McCracken, swear to tell the truth, nothing but the truth, and only the truth.
Not quite what I said, but alright, it'll work.
I got a fifth grade education.
Your Honor, may I
sit down.
approach the witness?
Proceed.
Alright. How you doing today, Mr. McCracken?
I could be better.
I see. Do you recall why we're here at court today?
Yeah, my car was impounded for illegally parking, and when I went to go get it from the impound lot, that is, as you saw from the dash cam video, what conspired from there.
I see, and what did conspire from there?
There was a gang member talking to an Officer Dildo about something that he says had happened, which was false, did not happen, as to where Dildo tells him you can pull out a gun and shoot me, as which he starts doing. So I return fire in self-defense, and that's where Dildo starts returning fire too and actually hit me in my right shoulder.
I see. And was the thing that the gang member wanted to shoot you for a legally justifiable cause?
Government handled it.
I see. So it was more of like a gang street rule that you violated, right?
I did not violate, he did.
You didn't. I see. So not only did he lie about this street rule, you didn't do anything to give the gang member legal cause to shoot you?
Correct. And in the government's eye, I had no wrongdoing.
I see. Now, after this shooting occurred, did you sustain any injury to your person or your vehicle?
My friend Toby, his car was shot up, and that is the car I was in. And yeah, I don't know what's on my medical report. Y'all could check that.
I see. Did you suffer any mental anguish from the incident?
I'm mentally unstable. I hate police. I hate the police's dogs. And I hate their grandmas too.
I see. So your erratic behavior started after your traumatic incident of nearly being assassinated by the PD officer?
Correct.
Later on, that officer and another officer came to your house, did they not?
They did.
And what did they do when they came to your house?
Well, they came up intimidating, went and knocked on my door as I was laying down on my front porch after a drunk night on my property, not causing no issues. And then they proceed to knock on my door, say nobody was home and that I was selling drugs and went and hid inside. That they were going to contact government about that.
Did they have a warrant to enter your house?
No, they did not. And there was no drugs being sold.
I see. Now, could I ask you, you were shot at by this officer while he was on duty. Did you make any complaints to police High-Com about this?
I did.
I see. Normally, when something like that happens, a report would be made. Did any PD High-Com mention anything to you about a report?
No, they were actually very unprofessional, and I could not get none of them to talk to me at PD. And when I made a prayer in their email, I was gaslighted.
I see.
Like usual.
What do you mean you were gaslighted?
Like what that officer right there said is that Dildo had lawfully something, I don't know, man. He had lawful right to shoot at me or some shit.
I see. And they saw the same video that you sent me and that the court's gonna view today, correct?
Correct.
I see. Thank you so much, Mr. Phil McCracken, you poor boy. I hope when we get you your money today, it can help ease your emotional suffering and allow you to reintegrate into society as a good Subway barista.
Your Honor, can I approach the witness?
You may.
So, Mr. McCracken, what was your reasoning for being at the impound that day? You drove your car to the impound, correct?
No, I had my buddy drive me to the impound because my car was impounded and I needed to get it out.
Got you. And when you arrived, you saw Officer Dildo already speaking with that civilian?
Correct.
And according to your statement, that civilian who pulled a gun on you, and it was not Officer Dildo, correct?
He was not a civilian, but correct.
Okay. Well, just for the matter at this point right now, right? In fact, Officer Dildo never shot at you, right? Not until you yourself gunned down the civilian, right? Now the officer has a reason.
Objection, Your Honor, calls for narrative.
Sorry, you're right. Sorry. Well, yes. Did Officer Dildo ever shoot you beforehand or before you shot?
No, but as a public servant, and shouldn't he be there to keep the peace instead of telling a gangster to shoot a civilian?
Yeah, walk me through that.
I had the right to defend myself. I didn't shoot at Dildo. I shot at the gangster, and I took my target down, which I did not continue shooting at Dildo.
Got you. You said you were self-defending yourself, correct?
Correct. It's all on the dash cam.
Self-defense also is a standard, your ground law, correct? Like how your lawyer is stating. You evaded when you shot, the civilian. You understand that is now you become the aggressor at that point. And
so you're telling me there's an active shooter?
Say it again?
There's an active shooter and you're gonna go towards the shooter? Even if it's an officer shooting at you, you're still gonna go towards him? No, I'm gonna run away with my hands up and not shoot back.
2 objections, Your Honor. 1, opposing counsel misstates the law, and 2, again, calls for narrative.
Sorry, you're correct, Germain. So, let's backtrack here. So you're saying that you claim you feared for your life, but you were able to drive away safely, correct?
No, I drove to the hospital with a gunshot wound, and that's where Athena Bloodraven treated me.
So you're saying you went to the hospital that night, correct?
Correct. I checked in.
Your Honor, do you mind if I pull up Exhibit 1 on this case? Mr. Germain, is it Exhibit 2 of the medical report?
I'm sorry, are you asking opposing counsel what your own evidence is?
No, I could have submitted myself. Mr. Germain put it up for me. So it's Exhibit 2, Your Honor. If you could look at Exhibit 2, the medical report submitted by Athena Bloodraven. This medical report was done on 10/4/2025. Your incident specifically happened on September 22nd of 2025. So are you lying that you went to the hospital that day? There's no medical report of that. And who'd you check in with? There's no medical report.
The fucking front desk. There ain't no goddamn EMS.
So then why are you saying you seek help that day when that medical report still shows that you had the shot on your shoulder?
I did seek help that day. I went straight to EMS and checked in.
So what was the whole point of going 12 days later on October 4th of 2025?
That was the first time I could get someone who actually had authority to do what they needed to do.
And what was that, sir?
Give me my diagnosis and a prescription.
Did you ever go after October 4th of 2025?
Yes, I saw Theo and did physical therapy. He prescribed me with weed.
And why is your medical records not showing that you went back with Theo for physical therapy?
I don't know. That's not my fucking job to put it in.
Now, did you ever get any other, therapy for, your mental state, your behavioral health after October 4th of 2025?
Yeah, I had cryotherapy.
And who was that with?
The company I work for, Weedland, they bought it for me.
It's
at my house.
What I'm saying is, did you ever still show any severe emotional state and any documented proof with, a medical professional, a therapist, a licensed therapist?
No comment.
Your Honor, I want him to answer, Your Honor.
Please answer his questions.
No, because there is never any EMS in city. There is never anybody with any... legal right or ranks to help me.
Thank you, Mr. McCracken. And just before we end it here, now you also claim that harassment happened when officers went to your house afterwards. Is that correct?
Correct. It was just one incident. After that,
Okay,
I haven't had any issues.
Okay, I see on the original litigation fighting that you stated that officers went onto your porch, knocked, left because there was no answer. Is that correct?
That is correct.
See, now, in that file of litigation, it also states that the officers never entered your house, but you just stated that these officers entered the house. Are you lying?
When did I say they entered?
When your own lawyer came up here, you said that they did enter the house without a warrant.
The premise, if I could clarify, the premise
I'm
isn't
pretty
the same
sure-
thing as the inside of the house.
Oh, okay, my fault, okay. So, the premise. So they entered the premise,
Yo,
but not
he's starting
inside
to
the
put
house
words in my
specifically,
mouth.
right?
Can I get someone else here?
All I'm saying is, did they enter your house or the outside, the perimeter?
The
of your house?
premises.
Okay, thank you.
We've said the premises like 3-4 times.
And after that, those visits stopped after a short period of time, correct? It was maybe like that day they went once or twice, and then
When I
did it
filed
bother
the
you?
lawsuit,
Got you. But so, how long did it take you to file that lawsuit?
bro, I've been dealing with this shit for 2 years now. I
So,
don't know. I
give
don't
me-
know. It's all on the paper. You guys have it all.
Can you give me a time frame? 1 day, 2 days?
Bro, whenever the fuck this lawsuit happened, dude. Literally all in the paperwork, dog.
Thank you, Mr. McCracken. Thank you.
Yeah, bro, you're smoking crack.
Your Honor, may I recross?
You may.
I'm sorry, I mean redirect. Mr. McCracken, Phil questioned you about why you waited to go to medical until days later. When you initially went that night, you only went for physical treatment to stop the immediate wounds that were threatening your life, correct?
Correct.
And it was when you went later that you sought psychological treatment for your emotional distress and trauma, correct?
Correct.
I see. Do you think anyone has been confused or blindfolded by the opposing counsel's statements trying to muddle those two separate occurrences?
Yes.
I see. And do you think they've now had that clarified to them?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mr. McCracken. And I'm so sorry that this has had to drag on for a month of this constant mental anguish and torture.
Thank you.
Your Honor, if I may, I'd like to have the witness off the stand and present my first exhibit.
You may step down.
Come on, brother.
Present your exhibit.
Oh God, where is it? This is Exhibit 1, if you would like to view it in the public docket, and I will post the video on Birdie as well for viewing purposes.
You may.
Alright, it's posted if everyone would like to take 30 or 40 seconds to view it.
Hey, you can shoot. Hey, if he FA to shoot him and then show him body camera, him FA, go ahead.
What the fuck, yeah?
Oh, that is interesting.
Your Honor, and distinguished viewers of the court, you will see, beyond a shadow of a doubt in plain viewing, this video shows my client, as he described, at the impound lot. You will see, plain as day, upon the conversation between the gang member and the officer there, Mr. Dildo, that Officer Dildo solicits, without necessary prompt, by the gang member, for the gang member to shoot Phil. You then see the gang member pull his gun, and you see Phil pull his gun. You see both fire, Phil firing in self-defense, and the gang member firing as the aggressor. And you will see that, as Phil testified, he stopped firing as soon as the immediate threat was done. You see even furthermore, Phil is fired upon by Officer Dildo, and even has the restraint, even though he's not legally obligated to understand your ground, to instead of legally defending himself and killing the officer, as he's permitted to do, pursuant to the court case State v. Bad Elk Kills Back, the 1901 court case, he doesn't shoot back at the officer. He actually uses his ability to retreat and to flee. He followed the duty to retreat, which he's not legally obligated to in this state. He showed more restraint, more professionalism, and better situational handling than the officer did. This shows not only gross, malicious, and intentional misconduct on the part of the officer and of the department, it shows that the punitive damages for this case should additionally be awarded for this gross misconduct compared to my client's admirable and restrained conduct, Your Honor. You will see from the medical report from the EMS professional, which I do believe is Exhibit 2, the photo shows that he was indeed diagnosed with this mental anguish, and that the state has failed to provide any impeachment evidence contrary or to disprove his mental anguish, Your Honor. And with that, I end my examination of evidence and witnesses, Your Honor.
So I'm sorry, was that your closing statement right there?
No, that's just oral
witness
arguments.
and evidence.
I understand, okay.
So, let's see. So you already in the oral argument part section of it?
Yeah, so I've closed, so now you can do evidence, witnesses, and oral arguments, then we'll do closing.
And then we'll just closing statements. Sorry, but. Although, Your Honor, the plaintiff has some very good facts there that, Mr. Dildo did say some explicit language towards a civilian, which led to him getting shot down by Mr. Phil McCracken. The officer's second decision to shoot at Mr. McCracken is what officers would have done. You saw a guy get shot, plain view. What is an officer supposed to do? Not do anything about it, Your Honor? I mean, come on now. Let's get with the program. For the emotional distress of these things, first let's examine the timeline. The incident happened on September 22nd, 2025. The plaintiff did not even seek medical or psychological evaluation until October 4th, 2025, a full 12 days later, Your Honor. California law requires that emotional distress be both severe and directly caused by the defendant's conduct. Now, I see emotionally distressed by the shooting because he's the one that shot first. No one shot until after the fact that he killed someone in plain view. And now he's saying stand your ground, but he was not standing any ground, Your Honor. He was driving in his car, shooting out like a thug. He was not standing any ground. He's in a public area in the impound lot, Your Honor.
Objection, Your Honor, misstates the law.
Make that make sense.
Stand your ground doesn't mean you have to literally be standing on the ground to defend yourself.
I know that. I'm not a goofy man.
Sustained.
Anyways, the delay is critical, Your Honor. A 12-day gap without immediate care raises serious questions about whether the distress was actually caused by our officers or the other factors may have contributed. Look at the medical evaluation conducted by Ms. Athena Bloodraven. She was a licensed psychological evaluator at the time. She did prescribe medications for PTSD, which was marijuana, and hydrocodone, which was for anxiety. Now, her evaluation was a single visit, Your Honor. and that was just reported by Ms. Athena Bloodraven at the time. There was no documentation for follow-up visits or ongoing treatments. In other words, there's no clinical evidence of severe or lasting emotional harm. There's also no evidence of what type of psychological test that she performed at the time. So we don't know if this was just a one-on-one contact language or what they were even talking about at that time. You know, Miss Bloodraven was also terminated due to that she was part of a gang, Your Honor. So we don't know if this was something that was an inside job, but there's no proof.
Objection, Your Honor, stating facts not established in the court.
Sustained.
Fucking Germain. Okay. Strictly, the evidence themselves show that the officer Dildo did not intentionally cause harm, Your Honor. At the end of the day, for these type of emotional distress, you have to show extreme and outrageous conducts to prove emotional distress. Officer Dildo acted within his scopes of the law, Your Honor. He tried to follow Tennessee versus Gardner, in which a fleeing suspect, we have the right to, or the officer has the right to shoot at a fleeing suspect if he feels that there's going to be more harm caused. Any alleged stress or anxiety that comes from Mr. McCracken experience was therefore a result of civilians' criminal action, not our officer's conduct, Your Honor. As far as a conspiracy to violate civil rights, a civilian cannot violate any civil rights, Your Honor. And again, that civilian didn't know Mr. Dildo at the time. They only met that day. How are they going to conspire? The plaintiffs haven't even showed proof of them conspiring or agreeing to violate Mr. Phil McCracken's rights, Your Honor. As far as emotional distress and civil rights, I know they also called into invasion of privacy. Officers all around all these great 50 states, federally, statewide, countywide, perform these duties when an ongoing investigation is happening. They go knock on your door and want to ask a simple question. Even how Mr. McCracken said on the stand, they left right after a no answer. They didn't invade any privacy. They didn't even talk to him. There was no, hey, get out of here, I don't want to talk to you, I need to get my lawyer. There's none of that. They literally simply practice their law, the general common practice. If that's invading privacy, then might as well sue every PD station all around the world, because that's literally common practice. To go knock on a door, say, hey, I have some questions for you. If you don't want to talk to me, you have the right to a lawyer, and we'll leave you alone. But none of that happened. Even Mr. McCracken stated that none of that happened. They simply just knocked on the door and left. So, Your Honor, I'm going to proceed to my closing statement once we're ready.
Alright, you want me to go first, Steve?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Your Honor, may I begin my closing?
You may.
The facts, video, and testimony in this case prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that PD Officer Dildo communicated with the gang member to shoot my client without any lawful cause, establishing the conspiracy in the communication and in the act. He encouraged the gang member to kill Phil McCracken. You don't need to be convinced of the facts of the case. They prove themselves. They're apparent in their plain viewing. What you need to do is ask yourself this. How would you feel if an officer told a gang member to kill you? If you had to defend yourself against a gang member that then pulled a gun and aimed at you, that you shot in self-defense and he shot at you. If the PD officer, instead of trying to stop the aggressor in the situation, who he had encouraged, instead decides to shoot back at you, do you want PD to be able to kill you in cold blood with a gang member and then rob you? Take your pockets? No. If you don't want that, you must hold PD to account in this case, and award my client his due. Otherwise, the next victim could be you. With that, the plaintiff rests its case, Your Honor.
Yeah, I like that. I love that.
Thank you.
Your Honor, members of the court, thank you for your attention throughout this trial. Of course, from these proceedings, you have seen the evidence and heard the testimonies. The facts are clear on the day of the incident at the impound law. Officer Dildo and his colleagues were performing their lawful duties, maintaining public safety and responding to dangerous situations involving a civilian, armed with a firearm, driving recklessly throughout the streets, through the impound, and shooting people. The officers acted professionally, responsibly, and within the bounds of the law at all times, and you have seen that the sequence of events was initiated by a civilian who drew a weapon, and any distress experienced by the plaintiff occurred in that context. Our officers' actions were measured, lawful, and aimed at ensuring safety for everyone involved. Officer Dildo and San Andreas Law Enforcement Office have not and will not. Sorry. Sorry. Officer Dildo and San Andreas Law Enforcement Office will not be guilty of these crimes, Your Honor, or of these civil violations. At the conclusion of this trial, we respectfully ask you to find in favor of the defense, recognizing that our officers acted professionally, responsibly, and lawfully. Thank you, Your Honor. I wish I had more time for this, man. Good stuff, good stuff.
It's all good.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. Alright, 5-minute recess. Let me review everything.
Bro, I did this in 2 days, bro. Dude could have done this.
If that's professional and lawful,
Yeah, I
then I'm
just
the goddamn dictator
I
of
didn't
fucking
even
all of
look
you.
at any of the materials until 20 minutes before court. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Oh,
Germain.
man, dude.
Yeah.
Nah, that's awesome, man. It was
Me?
good stuff.
Yeah. Good quickie case. Hey.
Hey, hey, get you warmed up for
Yeah.
right now, man. Get you warmed up.
You're not gonna believe it, Jesse. We did a court case in 45 minutes.
Germain, yes, I'm
Can you hear me?
surprised.
Yeah.
I can.
Bro, when you brought up that big elk
Nice shoulder
case law,
dust.
I was like, oh, I should have put some case laws down, but it's gotta know we're gonna do that or not.
What did I just say? Sorry about that, man.
I just got Tennessee Bears Garner at the top of my head when for being suspects, to be honest.
From the UK, I need a flag.
Don't give me that zest, okay? What's your sexy ass walk?
Excuse me.
Now the door's open, everyone escape.
Good shit, Johnson.
Yeah, man, I only had 2 days, but it was fun, man. It was fun. I haven't been up here in a while, man. It's been a very long time.
You looking pretty snazzy.
Thank you. I really appreciate it, man.
You looking pretty motherfucking motherfucking snazzy.
Where's clitoris?
Clitoris? Perish.
Well, isn't it true that because
Cleveland.
he's a pro?
It's
Because
true.
he's a probie though, he only gets half. Isn't
you-
isn't SALEO only 50% liable?
No, we're still liable. He wears a badge. Unfortunately, that's how it is.
I thought you were liable for half.
For cadets or for probationary?
Yeah.
For
Yeah, but
cadets.
that I believe that
ever
bill
notice
was
the penises up
after
there are covered
was
by
passed
pepes?
after the occurrence of this incident.
About what?
Oh.
Penises on the ceiling are covered up by Pepe.
Oh, yeah, that-
This is gonna be the last case you guys will have to pay full liability.
For fucking two
It's
goddamn
19 million.
years.
He wants 19 million, right?
That's
And
literally only because it's dragged on a month.
Can someone summarize the court case for me?
19 million.
Dildo
Crazy.
told a gang member to kill a civ. The gang member tried to kill the civ and got dropped.
Oh,
Then
fuck.
Dildo tried to kill the civ and the civ ran away.
I saw that video. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
I saw the video.
So
You can
specific,
hear
I see
Officer
now.
Dildo say something.
That's crazy.
Y'all can ask any PD officer. When have I complained to PD or about PD?
I mean,
Bro,
You complained about
19 million. Wait, hold up. What?
Alright, go protect the judge.
Yeah,
What
it's 19.
the
It's a
fuck?
19 million
The
court
question
case.
is,
He's so emotionally distressed.
What the?
What
what do
the
you
fuck?
No.
Shit, man, I should've got on my A game. Holy shit.
He got
Shenanigans
shot.
is
He got
happening
shot
up
by
there.
one, too.
I heard a yes.
Maybe for the one time. I don't know.
Maybe for the 2 times.
Ow. I don't think they're prepared for this. I think you guys-
Officer, that seems excessive to me.
Oh, that's all you, JT?
This is actually under Germain's orders. He asked that everyone be circumcised at court.
Oh,
With a
nice.
tenant
just-
saw.
Basically
I can't hold it anymore.
That ain't long enough to circumcise me, sir.
With a 10-inch saw, is it a rusty blade?
Oh, hey. Damn.
Not too sure.
Are we trying to break all these insecurities?
You can digitize
Oh, that's
your
crazy.
Leave me alone.
I wouldn't take that.
Yo,
The
yo,
real
yo, yo.
question is,
Don't take it, Mike.
I'm
Ophelia-
gonna use some JT actually. So, yeah.
Fuck you.
What'd you say, Jay? Aren't you Arab?
Nah. No one taking any inches of mine.
Who's
You're
Arab?
You already got.
I'm born circumcised.
Jay kind of gives me Canadian vibes.
I am Canadian.
Wait, who's the Arab?
Oh, really? Where?
Like right now.
Oh, Jordan. I'm sorry, I forgot to have you do anything. I'm not
Toronto.
gonna lie. I'm so sorry.
Go meet up with Alejandro.
Allowed in here?
That's all good.
Sorry, you usually don't have a second chair.
Screw beyond.
Are you rolling up? Are you
Can I
grinding
come in there with you, Jordan?
in a courtroom? Can you stop pushing me all the way the
You can come on me.
And Arthur, Alejandro, and Arthur are in there.
Alex,
This is chocolate. This is cocoa buzz.
Yes.
Let me
Jermaine?
how you doing?
That's clearly.
I think so.
Doing
Yeah.
good.
The fucking coke residue on my fucking pants from earlier.
No.
You're too good of a lawyer. You need to step down and let us proceed.
Hey, I'll make sure to get you guys some good cases. I promise you. We're just on a time crunch for this one. I'll get you both some time in my next case. All right?
In the dirt, bro.
All right.
Is someone trying to sue me here? Well, okay, can't say that in court.
Hey,
Bro,
yeah,
I
you
might-
get your chest
I might
back, right,
honestly
man?
sue
Chest
people
back.
for what happened earlier. I'm not even gonna lie.
Sue him.
They watched a dude steal my motorcycle and did nothing about it.
Oh.
Yeah, priority calls. Priority calls.
All right, yeah, get out of here, man. You gotta step back. Step back. Step back.
Yeah, corruption is priority call.
Yeah. Your bike and someone else's live. Two different priority
All
calls.
right. You may
Our
be
budget's
seated.
too low. We need more money.
After reviewing the... Sir, please stop smoking in my courtroom.
How much longer is this gonna go for?
What do you want? After reviewing the arguments and evidence
It's time
from
for,
both sides, I am ready
Here,
to
what's
rule
what's the time looking like?
Shut up, Jay.
Okay.
Tort 1, conspiracy to violate civil rights. I find in favor of Germain, and they get the remedy of 120,000. For tort of intentional infliction of emotional distress, I do not find in favor. They do not have to pay the $85,000. For tort harassment and abuse of process, I rule that they don't have to pay. We're good. No tort. I rule that it hasn't been proven. And then the last tort, the invasion of privacy and intrusion, ruling against. There's no proof of that happening either. So to sum it up, one tort, conspiracy to violate, have to be paid out. The other three do not have to be paid out. Grapple bang. Court is concluded.
Hey!
Thank you, Your Honor.
That's a far stretch.
Jermaine, you wanna ask you for
That's a
your?
bar
I
stretch
know
of
it's a
8 mil. What happened
one
to 8
long.
mil?
If you wanna extend it, like be like, hey, well, you know, this is like
Yeah,
a
let me out
month
this
long.
bitch, please.
Like you said, it since it was like a month long, if you want to extend it or whatever, like you know, just so they could like get something out of it or something. It's up to you.
Extend what?
Like I thought you said it was a $19 million court case, man. What the fuck?
No, I was joking with you. So
Oh,
so
shit.
you'd pay the 120,
you're smoking more
and then since
meth
he's
than
a gang
120?
member, you'd pay the 150 court fee.
Okay,
We're
So
done.
it's 270 total. Whenever you want.
270 total.
Yep.
Good
Alright.
work, you two. The city has
Thank you so
fantastic
much.
Hey,
lawyers.
Mr. Palmer, I
Your
think they're gonna need you.
constituents will be so proud of you.
I hope they can. I hope they are.
Yes.
From the up in Nebraska,
Yeah.
wherever I'm
Yeah,
from,
broken
you know,
into, but
it's a
I
lot more cutthroat.
From Carcer City
That's it, Carson City.
and North Yankton.
Never been there.
You're of
Mr.
no
Palmer, I think
danger
they're
to
gonna need you
anybody.
for later today. Don't y'all also have
Gupta
something?
is a danger to society.
Well, what's your question, sir?
There's another court case, Mr. Palmer.
Oh, I'll be sure to stick around. I hear the Honorable Judge Duke is overseeing that.
Do you only play
Oh,
old
okay,
people? Like, is
Yeah.
this your gig go?
What do you mean?
I gotta.
Hold on.
Yeah, Mr. Jermaine, let me get you the
Mr.
get you
Arnold
70, bro.
Palmer, man.
Thank you.
No,
Arnold
we're
Palmer,
safest.
like
I
the
am
drink?
safest, sir.
I thought we were suing. I thought your client was suing for 8 mil or 18.
John
I have that.
Yeah, I was just lying. I was just fucking with
play a
him.
young person for fucking.
I don't know.
We were
Mm.
suing for
I know you don't. I know you
280
don't know
total.
what I mean, but you also do know what I mean.
I
You
think
know
we have a
what I mean?
statutory maximum of 500,000.
Would
Isn't
you like
that
this,
right?
Yeah,
gay
yeah,
man
that is
removed
right.
from
Yeah.
your
Yes, I
court?
don't support gays. Get about
Tried to
here.
sue for a
Get
10
out,
and 10 in one
move.
city.
Oh.
I had a perfect case and lost because
Yeah.
Easy.
mayor said I can't
Marshall's
sue for
work,
10
baby.
and 10.
Fantastic work. You know, I have a brown friend from where I'm from.
No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace.
I'll give you 50K and then she can.
Yeah,
Well,
His name's
give another case in what, an hour?
Fantastic.
but he's really
Here,
strong
Mister.
and
Here's what
big.
Mr. Germain.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
270.
Brute-like.
I'm pretty sure.
But it was gonna be
Thank
Yeah, I
you.
think the next one's in an hour.
Right.
Oh, it went up.
Hello.
Yes.
I wonder what we're gonna.
Okay.
No,
makes sense.
Because
sir.
I need to
Hey,
get.
where's
I need to get in
McCracken
touch
at?
with Envy.
know what you're doing, right?
I need to
Yeah.
hear that case
Hey.
before we start.
Oh,
What?
McCracken. Where's McCracken? I need McCracken.
I am from Kansas.
Hey, am I gonna be your second on this next case too?
Yes, and remind me to have you do something.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't let me do it.
Do you want to look at it and make an opening
Yeah,
statement?
yeah. Let me take a look at it.
Bad.
Yep.
Sir, please back away from me. You're smoking.
No drugs in the courthouse. Hello, are we?
I had to
crazy?
beat a civilian
I'll hit
before
you with
coming
a
in here
baton.
because he tried to beat my ass.
I bet. You did a
Sorry,
good
lady.
job, Steve.
Sorry,
You
lady.
did
Good
very
job,
good,
man.
very,
gonna be
very
here
good
all the time.
performance for such a tough case.
No.
Hey man, honestly, I was nervous. If I'm not gonna lie to you, man,
Yeah.
I had a little bit of water in me, you know.
Time to go.
A little bit of water. We need to do really drunk court cases, just straight up some Everclear.
Yeah, like crazy, right? That'll be
Yes.
awesome, man. Well, hey man, I haven't like there hasn't been a lot of civil suits that are coming through. I don't know if they haven't been passed
Oh,
or
you
something,
want me to sue you a lot more? I can do that.
yeah, like because I want to see who people are interested in. I want to
Yeah.
like start like teaching them some cases and stuff.
I'm gonna
I
start.
mean, I'm not the best,
yeah.
but I mean, I want to help them out and stuff. You get me?
I'm gonna start bringing a lot more quickie cases like this instead of just settling them.
Also, I'll probably get people to go to your law class to sign up for your law class at school.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just make sure to tell them I do 1 week and Dominic says he'll do the second week and then he doesn't show up.
Who dumb?
4 weeks. 4 weeks this has happened.
Good going for Cubs.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, you're fine. Please, you're doing good. Good work.
Thank you. Anything for the safety of the court.
Your Honor, now in the
Honestly,
don't
love
forget,
the stuff that they brought in for
Your
the-
Honor,
for the US
in
Marshals.
the
It's like
McCracken
fucking
ticket
sexy.
to put which side won.
Sorry, I couldn't get my judge robes on, Germain. You
It's-
know,
this'll
you
do.
called me on such short notice. I had to roll out of bed. I was watching from my apartment.
Oh, you did so much better than Duke, sir. You did so much better. You're an amazing judge. I don't care what Steve has to say about you not having robes on. I think it's all good.
Oh, so I can't hear you if you're talking.
Oh, you can't? Can you hear me?
Now I
You
can.
don't need to charge that guy.
Don't
Just,
don't forget
leave him
to
alone.
put which side, how you ruled.
Oh, I have to
and-
do that.
Yeah, and the McCracken thing. Do you want me to type it all out for you, sir?
Yes, please.
So
No, that would be weird.
For your case law, do you want to tell me if any case laws are created from this specifically that you feel?
You know, case law. Yes, case law. The SALEO McCracken. Don't be a dipshit.
Don't be a
Oh, you know what would
dipshit.
be cool? You know what would be a cool one?
Yeah.
Like that, like how he did rule on the like the conspiracy. Like if you hear an officer say like, "Hey, shoot that guy," that could be
Yeah.
like
Yeah,
like
so-
that. That would be like a case law or something.
Yeah, so immediate oral communication can constitute conspiracy. Does that sound good, sir? Your
Yes,
Honor?
that sounds fantastic.
yep.
Thank you,
Okay,
Germain.
I'll put it all down for you.
Yes, write it up and let me review it.
A very strong structure in your facial bones, sir.
Thank you. I get that from my grandpa.
You must have been very white.
He was.
I'm dead, man.
He was from the Cocklands of Caucasus.
The Mountains of
Have you ever been-
Caucasus?
Yes. Have you ever been there?
I've heard of those. Only in legends, though.
When is the next court case? 9 p.m.
I believe so, young man.
9 Eastern or Central?
Central is what they put for some weird reason. Everybody knows Eastern is what everything else is in.
Someone call Allie, the officer. White ponytails on the side.
Why?
I mean, most people are in Eastern, so.
I gave her my lightsaber so I can come inside the courtroom, and she's not here anymore.
Oh well, I can't help you, sir. I don't know who you're referring to.
Let me see if she's on.
Oh, thank you, young man.
5 to Alley. Do you have a lightsaber you took off somebody?
Mr. Palmer, are you by chance a diabetic?
Why do you ask?
I'm just curious, sir.
Why is my health status important to you?
I'm just wondering.
No, I'm not a diabetic.
Okay.
I have
You
had a
got something
problem.
against diabetics?
Not at all.
Would you like to clarify? There's
have
more than
something-
one kind of diabetic.
I've
Just like there's more than one type of gay. So if I respect you, you need to respect diabetics.
I'm not gay, sir.
Oh, you could have fooled me, son.
I'm not gay. I'm about to be
Have you
married,
been
actually.
tested?
What does that? Are you referring to being gay as an illness of some sort?
Back in my day, you'd get locked up for having those type of thoughts.
Well, back in your day, you wrote on stone tablets, so
That's true. And my first vehicle was a stone wheel with a cot.
were your neighbors the Flintstones?
No, they lived in a different city.
Okay.
We are taking that gentleman in for contempt. He is continuously smoking a bong.
Oh, thank you, young man. Technically, court is adjourned, but thank you for taking the step.
Yes, you're welcome. He has been told multiple.
Take him to jail.
Yep, Robert is taking him to jail.
Feel free to use my jail cells. They're very luxurious downstairs. Only the best for the courts.
Okay.
Germain, that is your man, by the way. Just letting you know.
It's a bad look.
Doing good, brother. How about yourself?
Definitely.
That was interesting. Listen.
Yes.
When I seen the exhibit,
Hey, Gupta, when you gonna lead another workout session? Last time you did was probably like fucking months ago.
the bullet barely even.
It was many months ago.
There you go. If you prove that, Your Honor, I can
Jermaine, did you hear me?
consider that for you. No, I didn't.
Where you at?
Well, yeah, but
I'm busy.
Because that's what happens, man. Y'all gotta be
Your
a little bit
paralegal in
professional and
training
tighten it up.
has been arrested.
For what?
Yeah, we're smoking a bong inside of the courthouse multiple times.
Oh,
Multiple
what?
times after many warnings.
Santino said it's lawful to smoke in the courthouse.
Oh, did he?
He did.
Oh,
He didn't
I was
pass a
unaware
law.
of this.
Yeah.
And it says being disrespectful to a judge or causing a disturbance in the courtroom. So that's what he was doing.
You could let him off with a warning.
What do you want us to do, Your Honor?
Yeah, we could.
I would listen. I'm just a judge. I'm just a judge.
You should let me be your
so
lawyer.
It is up
You
to
should let me be your lawyer.
you wonderful, strapping young police officers to do your job how you see fit. But it is my
No.
professional opinion as the honorable
This is
judge
our courtroom.
Palmer that you let that man